Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your request is pending on Instagram. Trying to follow someone on Instagram and it says your request is pending. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open the account you want to follow. If it's private, your request or your follow request must be approved. If they haven't accepted it yet, it will say be pending. In this case, you just need to wait or cancel and resend later. To refresh it, tap the request button, then cancel the request, wait a few seconds, then tap follow again. Sometimes this alone fixes the problem. If you can't see their post, stories or profile, you may be blocked or restricted. If that's the case, the follow request will never go through. A poor internet can cause follow request to be failed. For that, go to the settings, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet is working properly. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on your airplane mode on, then turn it off. You can also log out and log back in. For that, go to the settings of Instagram, tap on three dot, scroll down, tap on log out, then close Instagram, then log back in. This clears small account bug. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.